Meaning of enchilada.
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 Enchilada. Enchilada is a traditional Mexican dish made of rolled tortillas filled with various ingredients, such as meat, cheese, beans or vegetables and covered with a chili pepper sauce. The dish may also be topped with additional toppings, such as sour cream, guacamole, or shredded cheese. Enchiladas can be served as a main course or a side dish, and they are enjoyed in many regions of Mexico and beyond. Overall, enchiladas are a delicious and flavorful way to experience the rich culinary heritage of Mexico.